Gran come stud. Speak a bit faster. What ju suki palan. Don't be too slow. Pi la ya tinko kaline. You have met a car accident. Pi kran shapang kai. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Pi la bien ne. Are you mad? Nga shu ong. I am just saying. Pi la shaba palat. You are too much. Tia ngan le kumno. So what am I going to do? Shu shong ban up. Just sit and wait. Hado katno. About how long? Am hado dawan ki paralog jong pi. Wait till your friends comes back.